Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Band 8 active, and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset or reboot this smart band. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by simply tapping on it. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the system option and select it. And here you should see the reboot option. Tap on it and then tap on the check mark to confirm and reboot your smart band. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you soft reset this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.